We have this blank certificate, and we want to enter data into many certificates like this. Our data is not already typed. We'll learn how to add data to multiple certificates. Select a certificate and cut it. Now double-click on the page margin to open header and footer tools. Paste the certificate here. Click on the certificate, then go to the Format tab. Click on Wrap Text and select Behind Text. Finally, close the header and footer tools. Now, to place the data in the correct position, we make some adjustments. Set the left temporary margin here using the mouse. Then adjust the top margin to the correct position using the mouse. Now adjust the font size and type the data. If needed, set the top margin again for proper alignment. Now press Enter and fill all the blank fields. You can see that the line spacing needs adjustment. Go to the Paragraph tab and click on this arrow to open the dialog box. From here, select 1.5 line spacing. Now we'll insert the signature. Click on the Insert tab and select Pictures. Choose the signature image and click Insert. Next, click on the picture. Go to Wrap Text, and select Behind Text. Adjust the size, then crop any unnecessary blank space around the signature. Press Ctrl+A to select the data, then copy it. Press the down arrow key, followed by Ctrl+Enter to create a new page. You'll see that another certificate is ready automatically. Now simply paste the new data using Ctrl+V and make any necessary changes. Using this method, you can create as many certificates as you need and quickly enter data into each one. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Also, let us know in the comments which topic you'd like to see next for more useful tips and tutorials.